In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a bank statement in Zoho Books. If you want to keep your banking records organized and make reconciliation easier, importing your bank statement directly into Zoho Books is a simple and efficient way to do it. This process helps bring your transaction data into the system so you can review it, match entries, and keep your books up to date without entering everything manually. To get started, open your Zoho Books account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Before you begin the import, it's a good idea to have your bank statement file ready on your computer so you can quickly locate it when needed. This can save time and help the process go more smoothly. Once you're inside Zoho Books, look for the Banking section and click on it. This area is where you manage your bank accounts, imported transactions, and reconciliation tasks. If you have multiple accounts connected or listed in Zoho Books, just make sure you're working in the correct banking area for the statement you want to upload. After that, click on Import Statements. This option allows you to manually upload a bank statement file into the platform. It's especially useful if your bank account is not connected automatically, or if you prefer to upload statements yourself for a specific period. Next, click Choose File. This will open a browser window on your computer, so you can locate the statement file you want to import. Navigate to the folder where your bank statement is saved. Select the correct file and confirm your choice. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the right file and that it contains the transactions you intend to bring into Zoho Books. Using the correct statement helps prevent confusion and avoids duplicate or missing entries. Once the file has been selected, proceed with the import so Zoho Books can upload the statement successfully. Depending on your file size and internet speed, this may take a few moments. After the upload is complete, your transactions should appear inside the banking section where you can continue reviewing and organizing them. That's it. By opening your Zoho Books account, going to Banking, selecting Import Statements, and choosing your file, you can successfully import your bank statement into the system. This is a quick but important task that can make your accounting workflow much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.